Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to extract text from an image in Windows. Go to Microsoft Store and search for PowerToys. So guys, here's the PowerToys app and install the app. My app is already installed. So if your software is installed, you don't need to open it. It will work at the background. It will create a snipping tool. Just open any image that's having the text. So here's my sample file for the video. Now what I will do, I will extract that text from this image. What you have to do, you have to press three keys together: Windows, Shift and T. Now you have to select the text area of the image. So I'm going to select that text area of the image and it will be copied automatically. Now what you have to do, you have to open any text file. Now I'm going to open a text file and I will paste. See guys, the text is extracted. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.